Oh yes, wait a minute, Mr. Postman. Wait, Mr. Postman. Mr. Postman, look at me. Oh, yeah, you left one, please, please, Mr. Postman. Oh, yeah. There must be some words someday for my girlfriend so far away. Please, Mr. Postman, look and see if there's a letter for me. I'll be standing here waiting, Mr. Postman, so long patiently. For just a card or just a letter saying she's returning home to me. Please, Mr. Postman, look and see. Oh, yeah, that's for me, please. I've been waiting a long time. Oh, yeah, since I heard from the girl of mine. So many days you pass me by. See the tears standing in my eyes. You didn't stop to make me feel better. For leaving me a couple of letters. Mr. Postman, look and see. Is that a letter on there for me? I've been waiting for such a time. Oh, yeah. Since I heard from the girl of mine. You gotta wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, Mr. Postman, wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, Mr. Postman, wait a minute, wait a minute. Oh, Mr. Postman, take it on please, one more time for